morning. It is Saturday. I don't actually know what day it is. Saturday the 24th? Yeah, it's the 24th. Okay, birds, calm down. We've been rostered on at Blackburn today. I don't know why. I'm actually a Rosendale driver today. We'll come back. So yeah, today we've been rostered on at Blackburn Bus Co. Not too sure why, but not complaining. So, start at 7:39. I'm assuming at the depot, but I don't know. Last couple of times I did Blackburn work, I was meant to be at the bus station. So, yeah, 7:08 now. Yeah, I'm not too sure why we've been rostered on at Blackburn. We were Saturday. We're meant to be rostered on at Rosendale at 4 minutes past 10, but I got a text off the allocator the other day, and he's put me on a 12-hour stint, which is fair enough. I just would have liked a bit more of a heads up, a bit more knowing why I'm doing 12 hours. But it's one of those. It's got to be done. So we're either going to be doing Boltons, 6 and 7s, which I don't want to do Boltons because it's football today, or we're going to be doing 22 Clitheroes, 4s, could be doing 4s, I don't know. So yeah, it's a bit of a mystery, so I hope you enjoy this mystery with me, because I have no idea what's going on. What's been going on with us though? Not much has happened, not much has changed. A lot of love and support in the last couple of videos, appreciate it. They're working away on the B10s, seems to be doing really well. That'll have been out probably a week by now when you see it. The Next Stop podcast thing with Carly, we're still working on it. Sebastian has been teething these last couple of days, so he's been really ill, not enjoying himself, and yeah, the night she was meant to come round, he screamed, and then Carly's been a bit unwell. I think she just wasn't feeling well, and she didn't want to come round and give it to Sebastian. But I think we've got some time off near each other in the next couple of days, so we'll sit down and record it then. So if you still have any more questions, just stick them in the... I don't even know if you'll see it. I don't even know if... Again, stick them in the comments for episode 2. I'm not sure what episode 2 is going. I'm still working out all this format. I have another idea of a stupid thing to do, but I don't know if it's going to be a good content view, so I might make one and then ask you what you think of it, or I might just tell you what it is. But yeah, so it's 7:10 now. I'm going to head off to Blackburn Bus Station, Blackburn Bus Depot, and see where we start. I'll see you when we get there. To Whalley Bus Station to do Clitheroe 22. And we've got an ADL enviro. That's what they are. So I keep forgetting what these buses are. Just 1 second. Wifey. Just making sure the wife knows what brake I'm on. So 11:46 is break. So yeah, starting at Whalley. What time is it? 7:30. It's fucking cold. It's cold on this bus. 7:30 leaves the 7 minutes to do the walk round check. Should take about 5 minutes. 7's a good time, but yeah. So we can open doors now. There we go. Alright, so we'll do the walk round check and talk to you in a bit. So we made it to Whalley Bus Station. I like Whalley. It's beautiful. Destination, football replacement, Blackburn Bus Company. I don't know if this actually has. No, it does. 225 Blackburn and then Shad Hospital, is it? Is that where we're going? Let's have a look at the board. Yeah, so we're going to Blackburn and Shad Hospital. Departure at 58. Yeah. It's a rare allocation to have one of these, I think. On this one. Very rare to have. Nice buses. Nice little bus station as well. No like major amenities, but you got toilets. But it's not at the Ribble Valley, so I like it. And we've got a Vision bus. Let's go and see who's at Vision, shall we? What time do we depart? Trip done successfully. Ooh, got me a gimbal. Where have we gone? There we are. First trip done successfully. 2 minutes to set off. Next one. Yeah, about 5 people. Oh, so catch me up backside then. But yeah, nice bus to drive around here actually. Quite enjoying it. Sunshine is really really bad. So it's a really poor glasses day today. But yeah, we're having fun. Yeah, I don't know how many we got, but I'll have fun when we're doing it. Right, best go.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.